Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from All About Indian Textile. Today we will talk about the textile production process. The textile production process is the foundation of the entire industry. Every fabric and garment goes through a specific series of organized steps before it reaches the consumer, and in this video we will understand how these organized steps work, starting from raw materials and ending with finished products. The process is divided into 5 phases. First is raw material, then spinning, third is weaving and knitting, after which processing, and lastly garment and final product manufacturing. Starting with raw material can be natural or man-made. India is one of the largest producers of cotton, making it the most important natural fiber used in Indian textiles. Other than natural fibers such as jute, silk and wool, India has a strong man-made fiber industry too, producing materials like polyester, viscose and nylon. The wide availability of raw materials is a major advantage for India as it supports large-scale and continuous textile production. Second step is spinning. Once raw fibers are collected, they are converted into yarn through a process called spinning. In spinning, fibers are cleaned, drawn out, twisted, and wound into yarn. India is among the largest producer of spun yarn in the whole world, supplying both domestic manufacturers and international market. Spinning plays a key role in connecting agriculture with textile manufacturing and forms an important part of the textile value chain. Moving on, the third phase is weaving and knitting. After spinning, yarn is converted into fabric using either weaving or knitting. Weaving involves interlacing yarns to produce a woven fabric such as cotton cloth and denim. On the other hand, knitting uses looping techniques to create stretchable fabrics commonly used in garments like t-shirts and sportswear. India has a strong presence of both traditional handlooms and modern power looms and textile mills, allowing the industry to produce a wide range of fabrics for domestic and global markets. The next stage is textile processing, which improves the fabric's appearance and performance. This includes processes such as bleaching, dyeing, printing, and finishing. Processing adds colors, patterns, softness, and durability to fabrics. This stage significantly affects the quality and value of the textile product in recent years. There has been growing focus on improving processing techniques to reduce environmental impact and increase efficiency. Moving on, garments and product manufacturing is the fifth step. Once the fabric is processed, it is cut and stitched into finished textile products. These include garments, home textiles, and other textile items. Bedsheets and towels are a common example of this. This stage is highly labor intensive and provides employment to millions of people across India, especially in small and medium manufacturing units. It also plays a major role in linking textile production with domestic consumption and export. In conclusion, the textile production process in India involves several interconnected stages, starting from raw materials and spinning, moving through fabric production and processing, and finally reaching garment product manufacturing. Understanding this process helps explain how raw fibers are transformed into finished products and highlights the importance of the textile industry in India's economy. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet again in the next video of All About Indian Textile Market, which will be focused on the export of textiles in India.